Hi guys, didn't took me long since last video about diesel valve, which had many problems, but there's another specific problem for diesel. I explained that in the last video. You can check my channel about e46 and M54 engine about piston rings. I found the problem was causing high oil consumption, which is related to this video today. As we know, this engine is burning a lot of oil. Why? Because BMW changed the design of the oil rings, and that causing a lot of issues. And today issues you might think is not related to oil burning. It's actually not related maybe to the engine, maybe transmission. It's all about manual transmission. It doesn't, I think, exist in automatic transmission, which is simply, some people call it kangaroos, like you're trying to pull away from first gear or second, or you shifting between gears and you releasing the clutch, you applying some gas, and there's like a big jump, and it doesn't feel like it should do for a car like that. And people thinking maybe clutch, maybe this, maybe that, maybe gearbox, maybe software, maybe throttle body, maybe ICV valve, but I found that it's nothing to do with this. It's simply related to oil burning. As you might know, burned oil is causing carbon deposits, salt, and all that crap is landing in your catalytic converters, which are responsible for many things. Of course, cleaning the exhaust, but also if it's blocked, it might take some power away. So blocked, or maybe just like let's say slightly blocked cat it might causing bad readings for the auto sensors, and that's what it's doing. That's what's happening here. That's what I did. Simple stuff, DPF cleaner for DPFs, but I used it for cats. I used it on both banks in this engine. There's no exhaust in here, but you can see in that short clip I removed both auto sensors before upstreams, before the cats. I sprayed half a can in one, half a can in another one, and that's it. I waited about 15-20 minutes because that's what it's saying on the can. You can just start the engine and drive off. That's it. And straight away I noticed there's no kangaroos, there's no pulling out issue, gear shifting, no like a problem with like maneuvering in the parking lot, like just a clutch, and there's no problem. So that was the problem. Simply, let's call it dirty cats. So you can try that. I think it should help you, because I spoke to one guy. He said he had the same problem, but he had totally gone cats, and he replaced them for new one, and he had the same problem with kangaroos, with that pulling away issue, and he replaced the cats and it helped. So he confirmed that that is the problem. So try that. It's not expensive. You can probably get something different, similar. You can use anything. If you have headers off the engine, you can use pressurized water with some cleaning solution, anything. There's many videos on internet how to use foams like that, how to clean the cats. You can use domestic chemicals to do it. So I think that's gonna help you guys. Try that. It's not actually that difficult. It might take you up to an hour. Cold engine, later wait 10, 15, 20 minutes, maybe half hour. Start the engine, drive away. Let me know in the comments. Thank you. See you next time.